I am Dr. Hudson, and I am going to demonstrate how to utilize a foam roller on your lower extremities. Foam rollers are a great tool for home therapy. They're cheap and effective. You can purchase them obviously on Amazon like anything else, Walmart, Target, any sporting goods stores, pretty much anywhere you find a yoga mat, you can purchase one. What I recommend is that you purchase a smooth foam roller, not one with knobs on it. Those are typically too aggressive for most people, unless you're really advanced. I like this diameter for a foam roller, and this is a good size. This is about 2 feet in length. We also have one at the office that's 3 feet in length that I like really well. Depending on how big a person you are, you may want to get the 3-footer. Also, if you're a heavier set person, you may want to consider getting one that's reinforced with PVC tubing. Heavier set being 270 pounds or more. At that point, I definitely think it's worth the extra money because the foam will break down faster when you're in that size range. With that all said, let's start with the IT band, which runs from the top of the iliac crest or top of the hip down to the knee. The way that we are going to demonstrate this is pretty simple. You're going to put this up against the top of the hip. You're going to see that I support myself with an arm and with a leg, and we're going to roll. Move it down just a bit. There we go. I'm rolling literally from the top of my iliac crest down to the knee and back. If we want to be a little more advanced with this, if you've done this before, you can get really aggressive. Bring the foot up off the floor. I will warn you that this is a lot less comfortable. So if you're new to this, you definitely want to support both ends of your body, one with the foot, one with the arm. Initially, if you can do it for 10 seconds, great, without breaking. Work your way up to 20, anywhere from 20 to 2 minutes is ideal. So we've done IT band. The next thing that we're going to do, excuse me, is going to be our hamstrings. So, again, we're going to work from the back of the knee up to our butt bone or our ischium, back and forth, back and forth. If you wanted to do both at the same time, you can. I prefer doing it unilaterally because that allows you the ability to isolate all of the heads of the hamstrings. Okay, so we've got hamstrings, we've got IT band. We're going to focus now on piriformis. So the piriformis is part of the glutes. It runs from your hip over to your sacrum, and it can be really problematic, causing all kinds of symptoms, sciatica being one of them. What you will do is you will get your leg into a figure 4 position. You're going to lean to the side of the knee that's up, and you're going to roll basically on your back pocket. And there will be points that are more tender than others. Focus on those points, hold steady on them for a second or two, and then move back and forth again. Okay. Lastly, calves. We are going to go from the knee to the ankle, real simple. Bring that down just a bit, good. Back and back. Again, with all of these, ideally speaking, we want to do anywhere from 20 seconds to 2 minutes. If you're a beginner, if you can do 10 seconds without breaking, that's great. That's a good starting point. Again, I'm Dr. Hudson. Thank you for watching.